Okay, so if you integrated your the checkout function, we just didn't work on the functionality. Basically, we need to grab the dynamic data from here. For example, we have 3 products in our cart. We need to show these 3 products here. So simply we need to go to checkout index and then our image details and quantity, and image as always the URL, which is uploads, and then the concatenation and item model and image. But wait, where is item model, right? We need to say for each, and then and for each loop here, and then we say card instance. Of course we'll use instance, whether it is default or any other instance that you're using. Content as the item. So let's go ahead and reload the page. There we go. Yeah, I think we just need to remove this tr from here. Reload the page. There we go. And yeah, the title, item, I think, yeah, model name. There we go. And then the description, a small description. There we go. And finally the price, which is one of the important part. Item price, or you can also you can say total. For example, this could be quantity 2 or 3. Let's just grab the quantity, item QTY for quantity. Okay, there are 3 items, and if you just go back to or proceed to checkout, and we have 3 items, and yeah, subtotal, these are not dynamic. And what about subtotal? Okay, let's just the subtotal is, we just put $sign here, and then we will use the subtotal function that we already used, and then of course text that we do not have. If you want to add, you can. And finally the card total amount. Reload the page, and there we go. Nice. Okay, so this is the dynamic contents. So in the next video we'll be starting from Stripe. So see you in the next video.